Hey, if you are a copywriter or you want to be a professional copywriter and earn more money from copywriting, or if you're just a marketer looking for copy techniques that will help your offers work, guess what? You are more than welcome here to Sales Copy Secrets, and I can't wait for you to dive into the content. Subscribe below. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what this is like, but basically it's uncovering a gold mine of money-making copy secrets for free, guaranteed to be more than most courses you've ever paid for, even thousands of dollars. Plus a fun place to escape the grind. You're gonna laugh a little bit, you're gonna learn a little bit. Hey, you're gonna learn 3 ways to earn money as a copywriter on this channel. There's gonna be deep dive copywriting training videos. There's gonna be copy breakdown videos where I reveal the secrets of live multi-million-dollar campaigns in real time. And there's gonna be a lot of stuff about leveraging AI to do a lot of this for you, because I'm one of the pioneers of AI copywriting. Now, AI is no longer optional for copywriters, and it's turning average copywriters into aces. It's going to help you do the work of an entire team. It really gives you an unfair advantage if you understand the tools to use and the right tools. And I'm going to help you do just that. And who am I? Jon Benson. I'm the creator of the BSL. I'm known as a billion-dollar copywriter, one of the few on the planet that have earned over $1 billion. I am a quirky, weird dude, and I'm going to have a lot of fun with teaching you guys copy. And I love copywriting. Love to teach it. I love doing it. And I've made a lot of money as a copywriter. I've helped other people make a lot of money as a copywriter. And I want to help you make a lot of money as a copywriter, because that is why you are here. Subscribe below. I can't wait to see you inside. Thanks so much.